This is Scion XB 2005 and we have airbag light on. Check this out. And this is the code we get. Open in D squib second step circuit. Okay, and we did Google search and that's what pops up right here. So we think it's inside this airbag right here.
Clog spring. It's called the clog spring.
It's called the clog spring.
Yeah.
So we gotta remove these bolts right here on the side. Also this one right here. It's also recommended to disconnect the battery when doing this. Okay, so 2 screws on sides. Okay. And we can remove the airbag itself. And that's what I used. Disconnect the pins.
The question is that far enough? That sounds like it.
You gotta pull it out completely.
Yeah.
Okay. There we go.
By the collar.
What about this one over here?
That one we disconnect with
Right here.
like that.
Okay. So we are looking for that thing right there. Okay, now we're gonna remove the nut and make sure the steering wheel is level
And straight, the wheels
and straight according to the car.
Yeah.
And make sure your wheels are straight as well. Okay, that was easy.
19. One part.
Okay, so carefully.
Now we want to make sure that the steering is aligned. This.
Oh, we gotta mark it.
Mark it. Yes.
Okay, so we're using white paint. Okay, now straight.
So it did come off.
Then just shake it and it should come off. If it doesn't, then you need a special tool to remove. You can put like bolts right here
And one another bolt in the center
in the middle
to take it off.
from here to push it away. Okay, now the fun part. You gotta remove these right here
We can access this.
so we can access that.
There we go.
Okay, yep. Now it takes off.
Take this
Couple of clips right here.
top part off as well.
Remove the top.
This does not want to go any further for some reason. There we go. Push that down.
So we gotta remove the connection.
Connection on the bottom.
There's 2 of them.
I believe so. Am I in the right spot? I think so. And it doesn't want to come out for some reason.
We got this new one for about $20 on eBay. So it should fit. Okay, so
To take this off, I tried to pushing and it doesn't work. You just slide right here, that thing, and it comes off right easy.
Okay. Awesome. Okay, so there's like clips on the back.
Is there any? Oh, there is another clip right here.
Another connection.
I'm gonna push and pull down. Push right here, pull down. Yep. Slice right easy. There we go.
Okay,
now old junk
removed.
Let's compare the old one with the new one. All looking good the same. It doesn't have that part on it. That means we have to reinstall. See that? It has this, doesn't have that. So that needs to go back here on it.
Okay, so we're taking this off.
I guess this is a steering angle sensor, maybe. I think that's what it is.
We thought we didn't have one.
Yeah, not with this type of vehicle. So we're putting back on. I think it is.
Yeah, it is.
Steering angle sensor, probably. I think.
Put it onto a new one.
Okay, what's going on?
Okay, just laying it up.
There we go.
Make sure it goes where the pins are.
Everything goes
You
back.
can also turn this to the line.
We should have replaced this
with a new one.
Maybe the problem will go away. Let's see.
Reconnect everything.
Clicks right back in.
Yeah. It does.
Sits right in there.
What about this one on the top? Has to click as well.
I think so. There we go.
Okay.
Everything is back in place. Sounds like it.
So
reconnect the wires.
Does it fit?
Doesn't want to go for some reason. Hold on. Am I doing it wrong?
Yeah, this is the wrong one, yeah.
Oh yeah. I was doing it wrong. Clicks right on.
Yep.
Hear that? Yep. Goes right in. And this one goes right on the top. So everything's back in place.
Yeah. Make sure you align it straight.
So we can't.
Okay, so you cannot install it because there's a seal. You gotta break the seal.
Yeah.
In order to install it.
So either it's gonna be pulling off, or I'm gonna break it. How do I break it?
Try to pull it off.
Oh,
yeah.
There we go. It pulls off.
Okay. But you don't want to spin that thing. Right.
No. You want to make sure that it stays in place, intact. And now, want to make sure that we put the steering back. Yep, the way it was previously, which it is now. Okay.
Put the nut on. Make sure it's tight.
So you don't lose the steering during the driving.
Okay, let's put the airbag in.
By colors. Oh, that thing needs to go back.
Pull them out. Okay. Okay, and another one needs to be connected. Alright, so there's two bolts right here that will have to go back, and they're still there. You can pull them out. Alright, let's tie that. And if you already installed the airbag,
Like we did.
you can still have access to this.
And installed, and we have.
Just put the key in, turn the steering wheel,
and you will be able to
and you will have
access this
access
screw.
to the bolts
Screw.
with the screws. Okay.
The fun part.
Make sure you align it correctly, not straight. There we go. We'll put the key in.
Now we have access.
We have access to the screws. Turn the wheel other way.
Yes, soon.
Put the other screw in, the bottom one. Now let's tie these, the side ones.
There we go.
That's to hold the airbag from both sides. Now you can connect the battery and we will start the vehicle. Now let's start the vehicle.
The airbag is blinking. Oh, which is airbag gone.
Alright,
Look at that airbag. It's gone.
the airbag is gone.
On its own.
Well, as far as we can see, no
Let's read the
airbag.
codes. Go
Light.
back. Read the codes.
Let's read the code.
And
So we had this issue when you turn the wheel, it would come on, but as you can see, we're turning the wheel.
no
It does
fault.
not come on, and we erased all the codes.
Read the
and
codes.
now there's no
And
codes.
it is no fault code present.
Code present.
Yeah.
So if this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel.